I hate gouache. Gouache is so useless and it takes forever to dry. It comes in these stupid little aesthetic things which doesn't help how the gouache works. Just use watercolor. It's faster, it's cleaner, it's more fun. It's awful. I hate it. I wish it was dead.
Hi art friends!
Hello art friendos.
It has been about a whole year since we have last looked at our worst nightmare.
I'm not excited.
Jelly Gouache!
Oh, look at it.
Right, we haven't opened it up yet, but I'm sure it's gonna look pretty nasty.
I think it's had diarrhea on the back of it. Can you see that?
That's green.
Green diarrhea, great.
The plan for this video is that we're going to do a 1-year checkup on how the jelly gouache are doing. I can proudly tell you I haven't touched these since that last video that we did. They've just been sat rotting in a drawer, so
great.
This will be an adventure to see, have they aged better? Are they like a fine wine?
Or are they like a mouldy cheese? Let's find out.
I have anxiety about opening this up again.
Should we just rip the band-aid off? Come on, let's
see what state it's in.
Oh.
You know, all things considered, these aren't as dried out as I was expecting. This brown one is looking pretty dried out, whereas
it looks
like
still quite moist.
Yeah, some of them are a lot more moist than others, although you can definitely tell with some of them that they've started to like crack.
Yeah, the white
dry
has,
out.
yeah.
But because it's gouache, it should be like reactivated with like water, so we'll have to give that a try.
Do you want to show them the paper that we're going to be using? Get this junk out of the way. Look at the really cool
we
paper.
are excited about. Look how perfectly circular this is. It's a Paul Rubens paper.
It's gorgeous.
And this was sent to us from Izuri.
Izuri, thank you so. This is like, I've never seen round watercolor paper before. I think that's gorgeous. Look at
It's
it.
going to be really exciting to use.
Ooh, it's a block.
Oh, I didn't realise it was gummed.
Yeah, it's a block. Which means, like Steph says, it's all just stuck together. It's a full block, which is actually quite nice. Even the cover is. I'm very impressed. All right, I've got my knife, and I'm hopefully gonna just, because I'm not sure how strong this gum stuff is, so just carefully cut around.
Oh no, you're ripping off the aesthetic packaging.
I'm already angry as it is using blush. Okay, so I've kind of cut into the watercolor paper, so I'm angry.
Well, lucky for you, I was planning on using the top one for swatching.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Just to... Oh, should we make Adam swatch?
Oh no! Oh, I love it. It's
never know that the top one was ripped.
There we go. So, we have beautiful cold press paper.
Oh, is it cold press?
It is, and it has lovely texture to it. It's really nice.
Okay, so you're happy with the paper, unhappy with the paints.
The paper's, oh Christ, look at it.
I'm actually a big fan of gouache, but one thing that me and Adam are mutually exclusive on is that we both don't like jelly gouache.
Look at it!
Your finger in it.
It's awful. Oh, look at that. Oh. I hate gouache. Gouache is so useless and it takes forever to dry. It comes in these stupid little aesthetic things which doesn't help how the gouache works. Just use watercolor. It's faster, it's cleaner, it's more fun. It's awful. I hate it. I wish it was dead. You are not getting me to swatch these.
You need to do some swatches because we need to try and reactivate them.
They're like dead. I'm not going to use half of them. Oh, I don't want to do it. Let's use this.
Oh, let me come and have a look.
Okay, well, I have to admit, look at that. It certainly activates with water very quickly, because that was dry.
That wasn't too dried out compared to, say, like, the white other part.
Do you want me to do the white one next? Okay, so this one I would say was about 50% dry. Like 50% dried out, and that's come back instantly. Like I can't knock that. That's come back straight away. Next,
Are you saying the angry man can't get angry at that swatch?
Give me time. The white one is the most dried out of them all. Wouldn't you say so?
It has just been aggressively stabbed.
That was me testing its consistency. Okay. It's definitely dry. So now we'll do 100% like dried out, and then I'll.
You're bringing the pink colour into it.
Oh, it's all right. So again, I'm just adding water with the water brush. And again, lots of paint on it. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, it's basically done the same thing. I'm sorry that I picked white, but it is the driest.
Okay, how about we do have in this corner, this really dark brown one's pretty dried out.
You want me to do the brown one? Okay, yeah, again.
Oh, activating pretty quickly.
That's come back straight away. Yeah.
Right, and for the meme of it, okay, you need to clean off your brush first.
Okay, and what do you want me to do for this one?
I want you to test this pink for the meme of it, because it looks like pink sauce.
Oh, Christ. Yummy!
Oh, that one's really wet.
Ooh.
And it's so gloopy carbonara. Look
It's
at that.
very thick, yeah, can you see that? Look how thick that is. Well, again, I hate gouache and that hasn't changed, but hey, if they dry out, you can activate them very quickly, and that's very impressive. I won't
Imagine
knock
if I
that.
end up liking them more after they've dried out than when they were actually like in their wet consistency.
You're such a masochist. I ain't swatching them all. You ain't getting me to swatch all of these, no way. What are we gonna draw, honey? Or paint, I should say.
Well, we've either got the prompts from our previous video that are still left waiting for us.
I'm not feeling them.
Or it's also September. That was created by Melody in our Discord.
If you don't know what September is, I'll put it on screen. It's an entire month of prompts for September, inspired by Steph, so it's called Stephtember. It's very cute.
The 3rd of September for us right now, and
So
that
we
is
could
guinea
draw.
pigs.
We could draw some guinea pigs. Do you think that'd be cute?
I think that could be cute.
Okay, I can
We
do
could draw
it.
some angry guinea pigs.
Angry pig. What are you so smug about?
So I wanted to find some inspiration because we know it has to be guinea pig.
Yeah.
And I feel like the theme of the video is anger. So
Yeah.
we need angry guinea pig.
Okay.
And I feel like the obvious go-tos are sort of like guinea pig wants carrot.
Yeah.
But I feel like we can get more creative than that. So I've brought up a list of the top 50 things which get British people angry, apparently.
Wash one of them, because it should be.
Looking fat in a photo.
Oh, that's a mood, isn't it? Yeah.
Building flat pack furniture. Breaking something as soon as you receive it. Train delays. Cyclists.
Well, people in England are just better about everything, aren't they? I kind of like the idea of him being angry and looking bigger in a photograph.
I know, I really
think that
like
one's
the
quite
idea of
cute.
that one.
So we could like have him like... I want to draw him quite big because we've got like a nice, beautiful like round. I do like the idea of round watercolor paper. I think that's like so cute. The way I've drawn his eye, he looks really sad, but he will be angry, don't worry. He looks so poor baby, it's okay.
I'm never gonna recover from this photo.
I'll never financially recover from my weight. There we go. We could have him like sat down, so he has like guinea pig feet at the back, or very sort of chicken feet. He's gonna have
Have you ever had that feeling before where like you've had a really great time out with like friends and then you come back the next day and like wake up in the morning and you tagged in a bunch of tagged photos and you're like, oh my god, I was having such a great time, but wow, I did not know I was looking like that.
Why didn't anyone address to me I was looking like a sea hag? So he's sort of looking down. This is his like little photograph. Should I try and put some gouache on? I don't know whether I'm excited to do it or just get it over with. It's a strange sensation.
I haven't even started sketching mine yet, but I have had an idea of what my pig's going to be angry about.
Oh, well, that's good.
You're going to have to stay tuned.
That's all. We like a bit of suspense. I've got a mixing palette here, you know, to water it down. I kind of like the idea because you guys, well, people that have been around on the channel for a long time will know that we used to have a brown guinea pig. And he was called Brundle. And
Bumble was brown as well.
Well, Bumble was brown, but Brundle was probably the brownest. And ever since then, I've had a very sort of soft spot for brown guinea pigs. So I thought what I'd do for this one is maybe do a brown and white guinea pig with like different patches. Because that reminds me a little bit of patches. I've got like a, you know. Because the cool thing, the really cool thing about animals, you know, when you paint or draw animals like dogs, cats, guinea pigs, hamsters, you know, whatever, there's no right or wrong way to colour them because they come in all kinds of different like patches of colours and, you know, shapes and sizes and things. You can't really go wrong. You can just kind of like just go for it.
Of animals like hair colouring because it can be like two different colours at the same time.
Yeah, exactly.
But
yeah.
Naturally.
Oh, can you imagine if humans ever get that? That'd be so cool.
Well, in my family, we do have some people where there's sort of like an albino, like pigment streak through the
hair. Yeah.
But still, I've never met a person who has like tri-colour hair.
Ooh, that would be a flex.
Like imagine having natural like calico cat.
Oh wow, that'd be so, if that was a thing, I reckon that'd be so trendy.
And then like posting a photo of them twinning with like the calico cat.
With their animal,
so
that'd be,
iconic.
oh that'd be amazing. That'd be such a cool
Waiting
idea.
for Vogue to steal my idea here.
Have you guys ever twinned with your pets? What I'll do is I'll try and be brave.
Yes.
Yes, I'm gonna try and be brave and do like some dark brown. Well, maybe one dark brown, maybe a pink here on the other side, we'll see. See, there we go, pigment, honey. Are you proud of me?
I'm really proud of you. That actually looks like there's some gouache on it.
We could do it for his eye as well, I guess, because Patches has brown eyes. Maybe I'll give him pink feet as well.
You might need some paint on that brush.
There is paint on here! Look, I've just been very brave with the ear and the eye. I need this. This is my comfort zone. Alright, so what have you been inking up, honey?
Okay, so it's a similar kind of concept. It's a guinea pig who's angry at something, but this one's not photo related. So this one's related to a parcel that he got in the mail and he wasn't happy with how it arrived.
Oh no. What is it? Let's see. Oh no. Mr. Pig. Oh no, is this pink sauce or
He's not pleased with the condition that it's came in.
He is a very unhappy pig with his mouldy pink sauce. Oh dear.
So as you can see, this entire idea is going to revolve around this colour here.
Yeah, I have to admit, it's like perfect. It's almost like it is pink sauce. Is pink sauce paint? Because if it is, don't eat it. He's got a right pig nose on him.
Now, it's not necessarily the best picture to use gouache with,
That's okay.
but I'm going to give it my best shot.
That's what we like to hear. This is looking really cute, hun.
Yeah, this is like my first time working with the jelly gouache since our previous video.
Well, same, yeah.
And I feel like in some ways I'm less mad at it now than I was like a year ago. I think because it's more dried out, the texture's more bearable.
It's better that it's dried out, okay.
Which I didn't expect to say, but I just still don't like the consistency of this. Like, can you see how like spongy
You know, it is hard to explain unless you've used it yourself, but like when you get them like brand new, it's so thick and like custardy.
You know when like certain textures just sort of like gross you out?
Yes,
It's got that kind of vibe about it. Something that I'm like kind of suspicious of with these, because obviously they're more so like a student grade like gouache.
Absolutely.
Is a student grade gouache more along the lines of like a poster paint?
It's poster paint gouache. We're getting deep
Yeah, that's
now.
what I'm starting to wonder. It's been a long time since I've used cold press watercolor paper as well.
Same, absolutely, yes, yeah, same. I
feel
probably
like
haven't
practice.
used. I don't think I've used like a cold press this year. I think.
There are some more like opaque bits that I'd be interested in doing, because I mean with it being gouache it should be able to, because I've got some line art under here that I did in the ink.
Yes.
And I want to try go over it with the
Oh, I bet you. If you like really thicken it up, I bet it'll cover it.
Oh, we have something wholesome that we can show as well quickly.
Yes. Oh my God, reduce my stress levels.
He hasn't been unpackaged yet, but maybe it keeps him safe from the gouache because I don't want to make a mess of him. Would you be able to show this?
Do you want me to unbag him? Okay.
So we have been given a gift from Dove.
Oh, Dove, thank you.
It says, special delivery incoming. Here's a small friend for you guys. Can you please give Robbie some head pats and a hug from me, if it's alright? I adore him. And I hope he gives you shroomy serotonin. So
He's a baby.
isn't that so adorable? I love him.
His massive dome. What you doing?
Did you know that there's a set of jelly gouache that is like twice the size of this, but also twice the price? And I'm very reluctant to pay for something that I'm pretty certain we're both gonna like despise.
Why would they do that? Why?
Let us know if that's a video that you guys would be interested in.
If you're like suffering, yeah.
I've seen those, they're very trendy on the internet right now. Based on how much we have not enjoyed this, I have a feeling that one twice as big we're probably gonna enjoy twice as little.
We'll put the Himi Gouache video that we're talking about previously on screen right now, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we can see you next time for another Doodle Day.
Doodle day, bye bye!